This is NCSD TV.
Well, we're here at the Wichita Center for Family and Community. It's a special day here. We'll get to that in just a moment. You can see by the billboard here that they have a food pantry here, but there's so much more to this community center than a food pantry. Many different services, a clothes closet as well. Today we're celebrating that with a big celebration right here inside the building. Come on, let's go have a look. Well, here we are here in the hallway at the Wichita Center for Family and Community. You know, it's easy to tell this was once an elementary school. It was Wichita Elementary. There's room numbers right there. This is room 6. No longer a classroom. It is now home to WIC. And as we work our way down the hall, here are David and Beth of WIC. And David and Beth, thanks for being here. Can you tell us a little bit about what WIC does here and what do they do here at the Wichita Center?
Yeah, the WIC program here is available for families Wednesday through Friday to enroll them on WIC services, which is a program to support healthy nutrition for families ages 0 to 5, pregnant and postpartum moms as well. And we are here available for walk-ins for people to inquire about the program and to get them enrolled. Folks are, it's a wide range of folks that are eligible for our program within that age group. So we're here for you anytime.
And people don't have to make an appointment. You said they can drop right in here at the Wichita Center.
To get more information about the program and see if they're eligible, they can drop in any time that we're open Monday through Friday from 9 to 4.
All right. Well, thanks so much, Beth. And we'll work our way down the hallway. We get to the corner of the hallway. See, now we're at room 5, and perhaps the program with the coolest name. It's the Smile Squad here in the corner. Talk to us a little bit about the Smile Squad. What do you do here at the Wichita Center? What services do you provide?
We do dental screenings at some of our schools, and then we offer dental care support for all the district. So anyone that needs any type of information, finding OHP or just needing a dental clinic, toothbrushes, toothpaste.
I see here we got plenty of supplies right here. So if families need a little help with a toothbrush, some floss, some toothpaste.
And a lot of kids will see Dexter.
Oh, who's Dexter? Tell us about Dexter here.
Dexter's our dragon friend.
Okay.
Model to teach the kids about proper oral hygiene habits, brushing, all that.
Oh, okay, so Dexter gets his teeth brushed here. We can make sure we go up and down. What's the rules? In small circles? Oh, I thought so. That's what I'm doing there. Small circles for Dexter.
Top and behind.
So kids and families learn about proper dental hygiene, all from the Smile Squad here at the Wichita Center. And as we work our way down the hall here, we come to Metropolitan Family Services. Vita is here with Metropolitan Family Services. And Vita, tell us a little bit about what Metropolitan Family Services does here at the Wichita Center.
Thank you. Well, we do have 2 preschool programs here in the North Clackamas School District. One is located at Bilquist School, and this one at here at the Wichita Center. We basically have 3 requirements. One is that child needs to be between 3 to 5 years of age. The second requirement is that an adult needs to be present. Child needs to be between 3 to 5. They need to live in the North Clackamas School District, and someone needs to be here with the child while we're offering the classes.
So the youngster comes with a family member,
Yes,
and they
and a
participate in
co-op
preschool.
program.
So you have young kids walking down these very halls who are maybe 2, 3 years old.
That's right.
And I bet they keep you on your toes.
Yes, they do. We have an excellent program. It's a play learning program, so we all learn playing together. So.
And if families are interested, can they drop by and sign up? They can
drop
call.
by.
What's the best way to get in touch with you?
We have a registration form, but also they can just contact the Wichita Center and we can give them the information.
Well, thanks very much, Vita. What an exciting program for youngsters to be walking around here. Hey, Brian, look at this. Look, it's a bunch of North Clackamas employees down this hall. I'm not sure we want to interview any of them, but they're all just kind of hanging out. Look over here, though. That school board chair, Gina Benaloga, she's here as well, celebrating the Wichita Center. It's a big celebration going on right now. Some of these people with their North Clackamas shirts on, they're just trying to be important. But So as we come down the hall of the Wichita Center for Family and Community, you can once again tell this was a school at one time as the hall kind of veers off. Here's another hallway of what was once a school, and look at who's down here in this area. It's our friends from the North Clackamas Education Foundation, Sam and Jen and Stephanie. Great to see you as a part of this celebration.
Great to see you.
And tell us a little bit about the North Clackamas Education Foundation and what you do as you're here at the Wichita Center.
All right, well, the North Clackamas Education Foundation exists to support the North Clackamas schools, our students, families, and educators from pre-K all the way through college. We support a Ready, Set, Go program, enrichment grants for teachers, and then all the way up to scholarships for students that are graduating, and also, as is our office is here, help support the Family Support Center, Food Pantry, Clothes Closet, and all that great stuff.
So you support preschool, you've got 2-year-olds running around here, and now at this time of the year, it's time to start thinking those 18-year-olds who are looking at college scholarships. You help those kids too.
Yes, we do. Last year, we did just under $60,000 in scholarships to students that were going off to college, trade school, and yeah, so.
What has the Wichita Center for Family and Community meant to your organization?
I think for us, it's just really brought together the support that we can give to our community. You know, everything that we do, our mission to bridge the gap so students are engaged and ready to learn. A lot of these services at the Wichita Center make sure that students have their basic needs met and they're able to focus on school and, you know, be comfortable and safe.
And for people watching right now, want to get involved with the North Clackamas Education Foundation, how do they do that?
Well, you can go on the district website. There is a link to us there through the support services, or our website is nc-foundation.org.
And one thing I always look forward to, big gala in the springtime. I'm sure
Yes.
plans are already in the works for that this coming spring.
They are. We are already underway April 4th, Thursday night at Gray Gables.
Looking forward to that. Well, Stephanie, Jen, and Sam, thanks so much for joining us, and thanks for being here at the Wichita Center.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
All right, we continue our journey down the hall at the Wichita Center for Family and Community. Room 2, which once was a classroom, no longer a classroom anymore. Take a look in here. This is our food pantry where families can come and pick some food for the week. They come in on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and Jesse is here who helps manage this food pantry. Jesse, tell us a little bit about what happens here in the food pantry here at the Wichita Center.
Yeah, so we're open Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Families can come in. They get a little shopping list based on their household size, and they can come in and just select what they'd like for each category so that they're taking home things that them and their kiddos will actually eat. We also have some hygiene things that are offered to families, diapers. We try to meet all the needs of all of those types of just basic general stuff.
Now, do families have to sign up in advance, or can they just drop by?
Nope, they can just come in. We're open Tuesday and Thursday 10 to 6, Wednesday 10 to 4, and they can just walk on in.
Well, Jesse, thanks for everything you do here at the Wichita Center. And I know we have many families in the community who really appreciate this part of the center.
Thank you, guys.
And look who we found here on our tour of the Wichita Center for Family and Community, Milwaukee's Mayor, Lisa Beatty. And Mayor Beatty, thanks so much for being here today. What brought you to this tour?
You know, I have been in the Wichita Center a few times, but only for very discreet visits, like to make donations. I think I was in a meeting in the gym once, but I've never really had a good understanding of all the services here. So I'm looking forward to learning that today.
And you were already doing that. I assume you've already learned some of the things?
I've learned a little.
Has there been anything that surprised you about our center so far?
Not yet, but
Okay.
I'm just getting started.
As the mayor of Milwaukee, what does a center like this mean to the city of Milwaukee? It's right in the center of our school district, but also kind of right in the center of your city.
Well, it's actually on the edge of our city.
Okay.
We're all the city out. Anyway,
Okay.
it's on the edge of our city, but it is a big importance to the community. I mean, I know, of the great service that it provides for families in our school district, from clothing to backpacks to this food pantry that we're in now, to after school care and just so many services that families in our community take advantage of.
Well, thanks so much for being here today.
Sure.
All right. Enjoy
Sure.
your tour.
All right, thanks.
Where are these coming from today?
Clackamas United Church of Christ.
Clackamas United Church of Christ.
Yay!
Here with a donation. Look at all these coming in. Jen's got to put a big pile up here.
Whoops.
So you might be thinking, what was once an elementary school, what happens in the gym? Well, get a good look here. Look at everything that's going on here in the gym. This is our clothes closet. with all types of clothes in all different sizes. These are all donated. And here to talk a little bit more about it is Kathy Harrison. And Kathy, tell us a little bit about the clothes closet and how this works here at the Wichita Center.
So the clothes closet is available for students in our schools, and we have sizes for teens, high school seniors, on down to babies. And the sizes go small to large. We have tents as fitting rooms. As you can see, we have shoes and always need more. Shoes in all sizes, including athletic shoes and dance, soccer cleats.
I've seen that before. So some kids who maybe want to play soccer or basketball and don't have the right footwear, they can come here and get those that have been donated.
Yeah, and we always need more donations. We could never have enough shoes.
Now, everything that we're looking at here in the gym, this has all been donated by community members or organizations?
Yes, in fact, we had one partnership that donated $10,000 worth of clothes for us. That included underwear and socks and leggings and jeans and shirts. Yeah, we have some amazing partners, but we are currently serving 203 families a week.
A week, yeah.
That's up from 132 last year and 63 the year before.
Wow.
So the need has just grown exponentially.
Certainly, this plays such a vital role in our community. If families are seeing this and thinking they could benefit from the clothes closet, do they need to sign up ahead of time? Can they just drop by? How does that work?
It's walk-in Tuesday and Thursday from 10 to 6.
Okay.
And Wednesday 10 to 4.
All right. Well, you can
and
see
it's
here.
Once per season.
Once per season. Okay, once per season, so they can stock up during the fall, winter, spring, summer. And I'm sure this place is very, very busy on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
And Wednesdays.
Oh, and Wednesdays.
Yeah, Wednesday until 4. Yeah.
Wednesday until 4.
And then we're always looking for new socks and underwear. We give out those as well. We have bins on the other side of this table.
Well, I know, Kathy, you play a big role in making sure that everything is stocked in here and things are available for our families. So thank you for everything you do for the Wichita Center.
Yeah, thanks. My role is to help get the donations.
Yep.
That I have.
Well, you're obviously doing it.
I have a team of 4 at 2.5 FTE who do all the heavy lifting.
Oh.
They do a great job. Yeah.
Great things going on here at the Wichita Center for Family and Community. The gym, now a clothes closet. Hey, thanks for coming along with us at our tour of the Wichita Center for Family and Community. We hope you learned lots of great things that are going on here. We have so many partners here. You learned about the Smile Squad, you learned about the WIC program, the clothes closet, the food pantry, all of that going on right here in this center. It is a community hub right in the heart of Milwaukee. And remember, North Clackamas residents don't even need to make an appointment. You can drop right in for anything that you may need. Thanks for joining us on our tour. We hope you've learned a lot. And thanks for tuning in to this edition of NCSD TV.